Do this, guys. He might actually do it.
5 minutes.
How long did mine take?
Not that long.
Only 5
Colin's
minutes.
almost done.
See, he had a small one compared to mine.
He's doing that one too.
Colton's was smaller, is a little bit smaller than ours.
I don't know how to do video on yours, baby.
Hit the record button, baby. Go to camera.
Y'all should have done the one back there.
The record button.
Okay, I'm recording. I got it now. All right, come on.
Colton's
Got
about
it,
to get
baby.
this one.
Oh, good job. Cut down his first tree.
Okay, stab it.
Yep, hold on.
Other
Wait,
way.
let your dad get out of the way. We gotta stab it, Colton.
Yay.
Oh, all right, hold on. I
Hey.
gotta stop recording and take a picture.
Yeah, let's take pictures.
All right, how you take
Now I'll
it?
take a picture.
There you go. Oh, you had
Smile
the
right.
easiest of all.
Okay, Colin, stand still.
Come on.
Okay.
Good job.
Yeah!
Good job.
Yeah!
It's Dad's turn next, so we get to pick